Good afternoon. We're taking a look at the gold market. Now, yesterday we wasn't looking too bad. We couldn't break through 1280, but we did close lower. But you know, bank holiday and all that, you give it a little bit of room. It didn't look like it was going to fall like it's done today, even before the market's open. So we're stopped out of our long gold position that we took yesterday, but it could be a lot worse. Now, as I said to you last week, we've broken through this trend line, and we do have this topping pattern, and the measured target of gold is now 1204. So no change really. That's going to be your medium term measured target. Shorter term, you know the levels that we've got. There's this 200-day moving average that's coming in at 1250. You've got the 50% fib level coming in at 1252. So, you know, although it's looking like gold can still motor to the downside, I don't think it's going to hit target area of 1204 overnight. So you're still going to have this playing around with it. It will go down, then it'll retrace, then it will go down a bit more. Today, looking at it, you know, it has moved quite dramatically. We've gone down from 1276 to 1267 and a half already. So we'll keep our eye on that this afternoon, see whether or not we get a bounce ahead of this area here, and you can see the low there is 1264. So that's our first support area, will be the 1264. We've got a little bit over here at 1262. So 1264, 1262 should, I think, capture the downside for today. Obviously, if we break below 1260, all bets are off, and I think gold will then gather momentum on the downside and try to go for this 1252. Now, the RSI and the ROC are pointing down. You've got the stochastics, the daily stochastics, that are extremely oversold, and we're trading there at 6%. So that is really under where we should be. You know, normally if it starts to go below 10, excuse me, if it starts to go below 10, we have a little bit of a problem. So although I still think now it's made this break down below 1274, now although we've made this break, it is, I think, too oversold to go too far lower too quickly. It needs to just gather a bit of upward momentum, and you know, just put these in a little bit better place for us to then sell into it for this expected move lower. Okay, that's about all I can say on gold. Good luck, and I will catch you all on the desk in a bit.